Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
We use many things to travel. We can drive a car, ride a bike, or take a bus. For long trips, we can use a train or a plane. When you need directions, listen carefully. You can go straight on this road. Then, you can turn left at the corner, or you can turn right. For your trip, first you check in. Then you get on the bus. When everyone is ready, you set off on your exciting new journey. Every choice has good and bad sides. Driving a car has stress. It is a con. Taking the train is relaxing. It is a pro. At the train station, you need two things. First, you must buy a ticket for your trip. Then, you wait on the correct platform for your train. We talk about travel in different ways. I go to work by bus. On the weekend, I go to the park on foot. How do you go? We use arrive at for a small place, like a building. We use arrive in for a big place, like a city or a country. When you are very excited for a future plan, you can say this: I am so happy for my trip. I'm looking forward to visiting Rome. Sometimes travel is not good. The airplane is very late. You feel unhappy and can say, I wish this plane would take off right now. If you are lost in a new city, it is okay to ask for help. You can ask someone, excuse me, where is the bus stop? What are you doing tomorrow? We can use the present continuous for the future. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is visiting her family. We use going to for a plan or intention. I have an idea. I am going to watch a movie. What are you going to do? Some verbs are irregular in the past. They do not end in ed. For example, today I eat. Yesterday I ate. Today I go. Yesterday I went. To ask a question about the past, use did. Did you play yesterday? Yes, I did. Did she work yesterday? No, she didn't. Prepositions tell us where. The ball is on the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is under the box. On, in, under. Use some in positive sentences. I have some oranges. Use any for questions and negative sentences. Do you have any oranges? I don't have any. Some nouns are countable. 1 apple, 2 apples. Some are uncountable. Water, sugar, rice. We cannot count them with numbers. Ask how many for countable nouns. How many books? Ask how much for uncountable nouns. How much water? How much time? And adds information. But shows a contrast. So shows a result. It is sunny and warm. I am tired but happy. It is late, so I will go home. To show something belongs to you, say mine. The car is mine. To show it belongs to another person, say yours, his, or hers. The bike is yours.